Look what I've just bought. Smoky Mountain Series gas smoker. I'm doing the unboxing today. Let's see what's all inside of it. What do we got in here? Okay. We got two different manuals in two different languages. And they got that in there. Wow. Look at that thing. It's like an ice chest. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to put that upside down. Alright. There it is out of the box. Smoky Mountain series. Pretty thin. A little out of whack. Yeah, it's almost closed there and it's open there. Look big. What we got in here? We got more treasures. We'll leave that. There's one box. Two boxes. Look at that. Three boxes. 4 boxes. It's Christmas. There's 2 racks. And 2 more. That's funny. On their thing it said 4, but the review said it only had 3. So I got 4 now. That's good. Anything else down there? Little drawer there. Another little drawer down there. So it looks like I've got to assemble everything. Where's my knife? Nope, I didn't cut that very good, did I? We have in box number 1. Looks like the lid to the wood chip. It's like a water pan. Wow. What if that goes up here to hang stuff? That'd be awesome. I don't see that on the instruction booklet. That looks like a clasp to hold the door closed. And you have, looks like that might go up there. And then we've got another one. Okay, no, it goes over here. I did not see that. we have another box inside the box. Ooh. Temperature gauge. Sweet. We got box number 2. Feels really heavy. Nice bag. Whoa. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Okay, that's the thing for the top. It goes up here like that. Then we got... Whoa. It's like a handle. 2 of them. Sweet. Man, you get a lot of stuff. Like another handle. Another handle. Whoa. Another handle. Man, I'm gonna be having handles for days. This thing's heavy. Look at that. It's about 2 inches. And that thing is heavy. It's got to be some sort of really tough metal. That's this right here. Man, I like that. Then we get the legs, finally. Okay, box number 3. Whoa. What is that? Is that where the flame is? That's it. Box number 4. What do we got here? Wow. So it looks like I've got to assemble all this. So what do we got? All this stuff. So in part 2, we'll see if it'll be all assembled. You ready? Boom. Boom. There it is. All assembled. Smoky Mountain series. This thing right here. Just loosen this up a little bit. I don't like it that it doesn't close all the way. See, it still has a gap right there. Might have to do some modifications on that. Get a couple more. I'll show you. There's this. It's closed. Got a pretty nice gap. You can adjust it right here on an adjuster screw. You just loosen or tighten it how you want. I did modification right here on each side. Right here. I had to bend this outwards. Because it was thin, so you couldn't actually close this all the way. I like mine all the way closed. There's enough holes up underneath it anyway. Here's the inside. Got the nice little rack. Alright. Here's the inside of it. Got the nice little rack that you can hang, like make some beef jerky with it. Got 4 racks. There's the water pan. Doesn't come out all that much, but I think I can get it to work. This pan right here will come out of the lid. This up here is where I had trouble with these bolts up here that hold this on. I stripped them pretty good. I'm just going to put, there's a little bit of a gap right there. I'm just going to put some fire stuff on there. In the next video, I'm going to heat treat it. Got a real nice long hose on it. Well, about 3 feet. It's got an igniter. The only thing I don't like is when you're standing up, it's really hard to see if it's off or on. Real weird. But there it is, all put together.